How to mark all emails as read in Gmail on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mark all emails as read on Gmail iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open Gmail application. So there's not really any specific button that when you click on that, all of the emails will be read, but there are a couple of turnarounds. So what you can do is simply long press on a single email and you'll be able to see these kind of options appear. So there's not any way that you can simply click and just read all of them, but however, you can do for 50-50 emails. So if you have thousands of emails, you have to do a little of hustle. You have to select 50 emails each time so that you can delete or mark all of them. So if you wish to mark all read, you can simply long press on one, and after that you're going to click on select all. And you'll be able to see 150 emails have been selected. So you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll be able to see the new emails loaded. And then you're going to click on select all once again. And then you can see 50 was added. So it's 200. Scroll all the way to the bottom again. And now you can see, you can simply click on select all once again. So just like that, you can keep on doing that a couple of times till you reach the end. I know it's a bit of hustle, but that is the way you can do that. And after that, you can simply mark all of them read. So that is basically how you can mark all emails as read on Gmail iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.